Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Seeing how we are completely done with, we've put this back together, just a quick little piece, and we're completely done with the Volvo as far as parts that we have. So what we're going to be doing today, like I said, is something a little bit different. We are going to be doing a disassembly video, but not of this. It's going to be of this. This is my parts Ford Fusion. It had pretty good significant damage. A-pillar bent a little bit, so we used it as parts for that one, which is still not sold yet, but it'll go eventually. So today what we're going to do is we are going to disassemble all of the parts that are good or resellable, and kind of stock them in the garage somewhere. And we're going to start actually with the interior, because I had somebody contact me and want the dash. So what we are going to do is, it's been sitting out back for a little while, as you can tell, spider webs. So what we are going to do is we are going to start with the interior, plus it looks like it may rain, so keep the doors on it just in case. But we need to get to the instrument panel so that we can contact that guy and he can come get it. Let's get to it. Wasn't too bad. We got the front seats out. We'll move to the back after, but like I said, I want to get this IP out first. I got somebody that's interested, so let's rip into the center console and then we'll work our way into the dash. As you can see, we got it out. It's going to be much easier to get stuff off of it because all he wanted was the dashboard and the airbag with it, so we can take the rest of the stuff off. I'm going to go through and take some other stuff I may be able to sell this blower, the 8-track blower, and maybe this I'm going to go through and get all the airbags. So let's keep rolling. Alright guys, status update. So we've started taking the headliner out. We took the seat belt out. As you can see, the dashboard is all out and ready to go. Got it sitting up here on the Volvo. Hood's no good, so it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to start, like I said, started taking the headliner out. I want the airbags out of the headliner, the curtain airbags, and then we're going to take the seats out. And then, like I said before, maybe that HVAC unit. I also want to take, what is it? Where is it? The fuse box there, and if I can find the other one with the traditional style because they're kind of more specific. But if I could find the other fuse box, I'm going to snag that as well, because you never know when you need fuses for a project car or your own car or whatever, and they are ridiculous expensive when you can just go to pull apart whatever and snag a few. So I'm just gonna hang on to them. So let's continue drilling into this thing. Guys, that unfortunately is going to do it for this video. My battery on my GoPro is dying, so I'm not going to be able to do any more of this. I really do need it done today, because I plan on bringing what's left of this car to the scrap yard Monday or at latest Tuesday this week. So the other things that I'm going to snag out of here, like I said, the second row seat, no spare tires, so I won't bother that. I'm going to take this taillight, looks good. Back bumper is no good. This taillight is broken, so that's no good. I'm going to take the deck lid with the shocks and the hinges. I'm going to take both of the right side doors and probably take the door cards off of the driver's side. Was debating on these tires and wheels. Oh, and I'm gonna snag that fuse box still. Debating on these tires and wheels. Probably will end up taking them, but we will see. Because all the tread looks pretty good on them, so I may be able to still sell them. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this sort of thing, give me a like and please subscribe so that we can get more stuff like this for you guys on the channel. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.